In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue with the Discord app not opening or not starting. There is no one solution fits all, so you need to follow each of these steps to find the one that works for you. So the very first thing you need to do is delete the cache data, which you can do by coming over to the start menu and searching for the word run, and tap the run icon, and inside of here you want to type in $app data and $, then hit enter. Now from here you should see a folder called Discord. If we head into there, and inside of here there's 3 different folders that we need to delete. So we need to select cache, code cache, and GPU cache. And we just want to right click on each of them and hit the trash icon to delete them. If you get this error message saying that you can't delete the folder, all that simply means is the app's running in the background. And to fix that, you just need to press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard to bring up the task manager. And in this search box up here, just search for Discord. And you want to right click and select end task. Then we can come back to the folder and select try again, and now it should delete successfully. And then we want to delete the code cache, and finally we can delete the GPU cache. Don't worry about deleting these folders as they're regenerated when we relaunch the app. If that solution didn't work for you, the next thing we can do is to make sure we're running the app as an administrator. To do that, head over to your desktop and you want to locate the Discord app. Right click on the shortcut and come to properties. And inside of here you want to come to compatibility and make sure disable full screen optimization to selected, as well as run this program as an administrator. Then you can just select apply and OK to save the changes. If it's still not working, the next thing we need to do is check our system for any corrupt or missing files. We can do this simply by heading to the start menu and searching for the word CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator. Inside of this black window, you want to type in the word sfc/scan now and then hit enter. This would take a few minutes to complete, and it would automatically scan your system and files and repair anything that is either corrupt or missing. Once we've done that, we also want to make sure our firewall isn't blocking the Discord app, which we can do by coming to the start menu and searching for Windows Defender. Then select Windows Defender Firewall, and on the left hand side you want to select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings before we can make any changes to this page, and then come into Allow another app. Select Browse, and then from this folder we want to locate the Discord app. If you're not sure where that's located, the best thing we can do is close off of this for a second and come back to your desktop. And you want to right click on the Discord shortcut and select Open File Location. Now what we can do is we can copy and paste this location up here. So let's just select that and copy it. And then we can come back to our folder and select Allow another app into Browse. And you want to come to the top here and paste in what you've just copied and select Enter. Now we can select this update file, select Add, and you want to make sure that both private and public is selected. And then you can just press OK to save the changes. If you've tried everything and it's still not working, the last and final thing we can do, guys, is a complete clean installation of the app. To do this, head to the Start menu and search for the word Programs. Select Add or Remove Programs, scroll down to find the Discord app, and hit the 3 little dots and select Uninstall. Once we've uninstalled it, we can reinstall it by coming to discord.com and then just selecting Download for Windows. Hopefully by following all of these steps your issue's been resolved, but if you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.